Join me as I challenge myself to meditate for extended period with no distractions, to see if we can truly find that inner peace and calm. Meditation is a powerful tool that can help us achieve inner peace and calm. And today, we're going to embark on a journey to explore the concept of ultimate tranquility. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how meditation can transform your life and help you find peace in the midst of chaos. We all know that life can be overwhelming at times. We're constantly bombarded with stress, anxiety, and the fast pace of modern living, making it difficult to find a moment of peace. We're always on the go, trying to meet deadlines, juggling multiple tasks, and taking care of our personal lives. It's exhausting, and sometimes it feels like we're stuck in a never-ending cycle of stress and anxiety. Add to that the constant noise of social media, the pressure to constantly produce and perform, and the fear of missing out, and it's no wonder we're feeling drained and depleted. We're constantly living in a state of high alert, and our minds are racing with thoughts, worries, and fears. It's a toxic environment that can lead to burnout and emotional exhaustion. We're not designed to live at this pace, and our minds and bodies are paying the price. We're experiencing anxiety, depression, and chronic illnesses at an alarming rate. It's time to take a step back, slow down, and find a way to calm our minds and reboot our systems. One of the most effective ways to do this is through meditation. Meditation is a powerful practice that can help you calm your mind, reduce stress and anxiety, and increase your sense of calm and well-being. By incorporating meditation into your daily routine, you can learn to manage your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors in a more conscious and intentional way. There are many different types of meditation practices, and today we're going to explore a few of them. One of the most popular forms of meditation is mindfulness meditation. This practice involves paying attention to the present moment, without judgment or distraction. You focus on your breath, your body, or your surroundings, and you let go of any thoughts, worries, or fears that arise. Another powerful practice is guided imagery meditation. This involves using visualization techniques to create a peaceful and calming environment. You close your eyes and imagine yourself in a beautiful, serene place, such as a beach or a forest, and you allow yourself to fully immerse in the experience. This can be a powerful way to quiet the mind and relax the body. Deep breathing exercises are also an effective way to calm the mind and body. This involves taking slow, deliberate breaths, focusing on the sensation of the breath moving in and out of the body. This can help slow down your heart rate, lower your blood pressure, and calm your nervous system. Let's take a few minutes to experience the power of meditation for ourselves. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow yourself to let go of any tension or stress you may be holding on to. Imagine yourself in a peaceful, serene environment, surrounded by calm and tranquility. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this experience, and let go of any thoughts or worries that arise. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine any areas of tension or stress in your body beginning to release and relax. Feel your muscles unwinding, your mind quieting, and your heart rate slowing. You are safe, you are calm, and you are at peace. Remember, meditation is a practice that takes time and patience to develop. It's not about achieving a specific state or feeling a certain way. It's about showing up, being present, and allowing yourself to be guided by your breath and your body. By incorporating meditation into your daily routine, you can experience the transformative effects of ultimate tranquility. You can reduce stress and anxiety, increase your sense of calm and well-being, and improve your overall health and happiness. In conclusion, meditation is a powerful tool that can help you achieve inner peace and calm. By committing to a regular practice, you can transform your life and find peace in the midst of chaos. Remember, it's not about achieving perfection. It's about showing up, being present, and allowing yourself to be guided by your breath and your body. If you've enjoyed this video and would like to share your own experiences with meditation, please leave a comment below. And if you're new to meditation, I encourage you to start with just a few minutes a day and see how it can positively impact your life. Don't forget to check out our next video on mindfulness practices that can help you cultivate more inner peace and calm in your daily life. Brought to you by Power Your Mind Meditations.